Shot taken by David Warsofsky goes wide. Little help from goaltender Reto Berra. Centered in front, Eric Fehr sends it wide of Berra. Warsofsky with a shot loose side of the goal. Berra got across on Nick Bonino. Solid add-on here for Colorado, signed as a free agent. Nathan MacKinnon gets room. His shot blocked. Chance of the goal. Matt Duchene picks up the loose change, and Colorado is off and running. For Letang and back out. Letang with his head up. A shot handed down by Berra. Wagner got to it, not out. Olimata, he'll tee it up. They score! It ricochets in. Matt Cullen was parked out in front. Colorado's Erik Johnson, he's away. The Minnesotan over the line to the outside. Soderberg, he scores! Erik Johnson cruising through. And a good play by Carl Soderberg. Gormley one more time. 11:50 left in the second period. All three goals in period one. Jack Skilly moves in, cuts right out in front. Stopped, hung on to by Fleury. Ian Dumoulin sensing a line change. Here he comes. He'll race in. Dumoulin right out in front. Taken down. Excellent rush by Brian Dumoulin. Bo Bennett hammers one off a body and controlled by Reto Berra. Out in front. Good tie up that time. Malkin helping out the D. Gennon goes across. Here's Gormley. Off the boards on the other side. Now Martinson all the way back. Nate Gennon holding. Shooting one. Stopped by Fleury. Mitchell. Veteran over the line. Good sweep check at the line by Eric Fehr. Here come the Pens. Matt Cullen. The trailer is Plotnikov. He'll delay. There he is. Shut down by Berra. Excellent stick save by Reto Berra.
One bit. Good job by Pittsburgh to win that battle on the wall.
Olimata looks for the short side. Berra got a piece of it. They score! It pinballs in! Olimata off the draw, stayed with it. All kinds of traffic out in front. A look at it here and go under review. 9:24 is the time. It looks like Olimata with the goal.
After video review, the play has been confirmed. We have a good hockey goal.
It turned out not to be that bad. The push from Nino Niederreiter. It looks like we might have a coach's challenge from Patrick Waugh here.
Okay. Yeah, we know it's not offside. So.
After review, the call on the ice stand. We have a good goal. Colorado fulfilled their timeout.
Off the side of the goal. Dumoulin to the outside. Out to center. Bo Bennett 2-on-1 with Kunitz. He'll delay his shot. He scores a bullet by Bo Bennett. Insurance marker. Pittsburgh by 2.